So, fintech revenue ideas. One of the things we're seeing a lot of in this space at the moment is crypto and fintech companies having to use third-party revenue models. So a lot of the banking apps and credit card apps at the moment seem to be using marketplaces, which by the looks of things then just seem to be simple white label partnerships for maybe one or two products. But I think there is a massive gap and a trick that everyone's missing here. Simply just adding a marketplace link to your app or to the site probably isn't the best use of some of these partnerships. So a couple of things to suggest really. If you've got a massive customer base and you've built up a large client base and you're trying to monetize them, a couple of things you can do, especially if you're in a fintech that's actually monitoring spend and looking at the kinds of things your customers are spending their money on and buying. You can use AI to basically identify opportunities for then white label partnerships. So rather than just say, oh, we're a business funding app, so let's have business insurance, you could actually start looking at other things that these guys might need. And then the other thing that we're starting to see is simple use of affiliate programs. So just joining a network and then just finding any old offer that looks relevant and then just sticking that within the marketplace. And again, I think that's can be a little bit detrimental to the customer, and also I think it's not leveraging your huge USP of having this big client base. So what I would probably suggest would be to have a partnership manager that maybe go around and speak to some of these agencies and affiliate networks and then start looking at creating bespoke deals, because you're going to bring something new to all of this in terms of volume and customers. So you might as well leverage that for your client base. The other thing that does, of course, is that then these guys can't get the offers and the opportunities anywhere else. They have to go through you. So therefore you're building customer loyalty within your product and service. So I do think that partnerships, affiliates, referrals are a fantastic way for fintechs to actually start generating some income now, rather than waiting and trying to see if there's a way that they can monetize their actual core business, but do more than just add a simple marketplace link, because I think people are missing out. Other things I would be thinking about is looking at making sure you're sending customer messages, SMS, text, emails, to let them know when these offers are around. I spoke to somebody last week and they were surprised that Starling Bank are offering business finance, and they've been a Starling Bank customer for a long time. They didn't realise that. So I don't know how that app's working and how people are being informed that these things are out there and they're available for them, but they're just not seeing them. So again, start looking at things in a little bit old school. So when you do have these revenue options, make sure you're talking to your client base through email, through SMS, through WhatsApp, through Facebook, however they want to be communicated with, and actually start telling them about these offers. The other thing that you could be doing is doing that within your statements or within the purchase process, or after a purchase confirmation has gone through, you could be offering them something else that's something relevant. So these are just some initial thoughts about fintech revenue models and how to use affiliate programs to help monetize.